Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to manage source files in a mix space. In the multitrack editor, you can double-click a clip to edit its source file. And you can also start editing the source file with the shortcut menu. The source file's modification in the audio file editor can take effect in the multitrack editor without saving the file. The selection and view range will synchronize between the multitrack editor and the audio file editor. And you can change this behavior with the option in the Mix Space Clips Preference page. You can also set external editors on the Locations Preference page. And edit the source file in an external editor. Multiple clips may reference the same audio file, and you can create a unique source file for a clip. To change the source file of a clip, you can use the link source file command. To manage files in a mix space, you can use the Files panel. In the panel, you can replace external audio files with internal audio files, link offline files, and remove unused files in the mix space folder. And you can also drag files from the panel to the timeline. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.